Self-raising, self-raising. 2 cups.
You could do a pretty good cooking show here, Tom, with this view. It looks very good on television.
Yeah, very photogenic.
Yep.
Okay, there's 3 cups and
You've got a proper...
I'll show you what I use. I'm going to pull out just a normal sieve. Righto. I'll put the polenta in.
So there really is just a lot of dry ingredients. So
Yeah.
the polenta's
So
dry.
it's supposed to be half a cup. It's a tiny bit more.
Yeah, yep.
Because it was in the packet.
Yep. Very good.
Not really. Too much more than that. And a half a cup of some kind of grain wheat germ. I'm using an LSA mix. But there was something else in the recipe. What did she use sometimes? Unprocessed bran. Righto, here's the calincha, baking soda. In the top sieve. Sort of 3 generous teaspoons.
Okay, I'm going in now for the...
Double
Very
sieve.
good, yep. Oh, I see. Yes, very good. Go around a little bit. Yep.
That's basically it. So if you do that, you can pretty well guarantee you're not going to get a lump.
Mm-hmm.
Stir that for as long as you feel is sensible. But the longer you do it, the better your bread. This is just, you don't mix it wet
Okay.
because there's no kneading that needs to be spelled out. You do not need the dough. Need. You need.
Yeah.
You don't need.
Okay, so what have we got here? We've got some
So
butter.
it's butter.
Yep.
It is salted. Normal butter.
Yep. You've got the buttermilk open, ready to go.
I do. That's what my dad would have said.
Really?
He said stride and strand. And he loved the ST words.
Very good. Salt.
Good pinch of salt. Not enough. Gotta mix it for a while now because we've added salt.
So when you were saying 10 minutes, is that really right for the dry
Well, the
stuff?
more you mix your dry stuff, the better your bread's going to be because you've just got to remember that you don't mix it when it's wet.
Yep.
Once we wet it,
Yeah, that's
You
it.
Wet it,
And it
make sure
goes...
you don't have any dry blobs.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to go crazy. I use a little bit at a time, but don't put it all in.
Of the milk.
Of the liquid.
Yep.
In fact, I've got a little bit left, tiny bit, but this is feeling heavy.
Yeah, so you don't
And I
need
can't
it.
see any more wet spots.
Yeah.
There's no dry bits on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
On the other side, double check. Everything is wet.
And so that's the correct
That's
consistency, that sort of sticky looking... Yeah.
And it feels heavy.
Yeah.
So everything in my hand feels heavy.
Yeah.
So when she goes.
Ooh. Cool.
And the interesting thing you'll see is when we put it in the oven, it'll only be 10 minutes in and this will be double its size. You bake it on 2 temperatures.
Oh, I see.
That's what I
Yep.
meant by twice, sorry.
Yep.
So you start off with the heat to really get it to lift, and then you reduce the heat, and I suppose what we're doing is cooking it through then, rather than just...
So you get a bit of a crust on it.
You'll see it when it bakes rather than now.
Is that because of you're a Christian?
My mum always did it. It actually works out pretty easy when you go to cut it.
Yeah.
So all we've got to do now is put the sprinkle the oats on it. You can sprinkle sesame seeds. I think we've even done it with poppy seeds, whatever's laying around.
What would your mum put on?
She was a nut for sesame seeds actually.
Yeah, right.
But she'd also 50% of the time use the oats.
So how often would your mum cook?
Normally when we had visitors.
Oh, okay. Yep.
So she didn't worry about us.
So it's always been a bit of a special
treat.
thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a treat.
So she would have learnt from her mum, do you think?
Yeah, mum, friends, family,
Yeah.
other people. The neighbourhood she grew up in had a pub in Borrowby in Tralee, and all the families sort of hung around that pub and knew the families, and it was quite the social scene. Now, when we got there, did I ever tell you about the time that Jill and I came to Tralee?
No.
They knew we were coming because of family, and word had gotten around, and somebody stood up on a table and said, you know, Tom and Jill from Australia are here, and let's have some songs. And then everyone looked at me.
Sing us one of your songs.
They sang Botany Bay and Wild Colonial Boy and Waltzing with Jill, and everybody in this backwater in Tralee knew the words, and Jill and I go, no, no. I'm going to pull the door open, put it straight in on the medium shelf on 180 Celsius.
Okay.
So we'll pull her out, because I'm going to just revolve it around too. See the size of that now?
Oh, yes. Much bigger.
Just because it's fan forced.
Yep.
Okay, let the heat smack it from the other side now. And we'll reduce it to about 150. And I'll check that again in half an hour. There. All looks good. That's nice and dry. I call that done. One thing about these is that you've got a wet cloth, wet tea towel. You use it for steam burn. Lose a few oats.
Beautiful. Lovely. That looks great.
In half an hour now.
Ooh.
Yep. Well, they're at the door. The guests have arrived. How's that for timing?
Oh, beautiful.
That is a good one. Guests have arrived. We should eat quickly.
Perfect.
Each butter. Any cheese. And an Aussie wine mum.
Hello. We're doing hello.
More vintage than cheddar is. Childhood. Yum.